Hello students, this is DSE 2019 solution part 11. Okay, let's solve it with this question. A random variable has uniform distribution lies between -1 to +1. Statistics question, and the probability density function is given by what? So the PDF will continue to be that of the uniform distribution. So the constant can be determined from this 0 3 to the power 1 c dx equal to 1, which gives c equal to 10 by 7. So this structure will be giving the value, so this is 10 by 7. Okay, next one, quickly we will be going to the next one. The set 0 to infinity, the set 0 to infinity can be expressed in which of the following? Okay, so here in this case, if we take an equal to 1 by alpha and bn equal to only alpha, so this will verify. So un equal to a into bn is a real number is following. So this is a rational number, this is also following. Okay, this also has unfortunately one option missing, real rational. So 1 to infinity an bn, and these are real numbers. So in case of open interval also, yes, this is applicable. So all these three are applicable, so all of the above is the answer. So 47 done, 48 done. Now time for 49. What is the probability that at least 6 appears when 6 fair dice are rolled? Okay, so this is equal to 1 minus probability of no 6. So 1 minus 5 by 6 to the power 6. So the answer to this question is this.